Is that good? Is that good? Is that good? Oh, look at that bottle. That's very nice. Would you like to come out and get some? Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Now tell Marcus to call me in the next day or two with a name, otherwise I give him a corny. Come on.
She asked me, she said, why do you have to name them? And I said, I'll be real honest with you.
Is the baby cougars with the wolves, and I just want you to see, because I know they'll get along when I'm all said and done with that, but I want you to see how the cougars are not getting along with them so far. And these are the baby wolves, so sweet, but the cougars, you can see, are hissing and going after them. And those poor baby wolves don't know what to do. So, hi baby girl. And the baby cougars do not like them for some reason. Hi baby girl. Hi. Angel. Angel, you be nice. Hi baby girl. Oh, here's the other one. Those are the baby wolves, and Freddie's following like he wants to go after them. Yeah. You guys need to be nice to the baby. Hey, hey, be nice to those wolves. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. The tigers don't seem to have a problem with them, but cougars seem to be bugged by them. It's okay. Let's get here and get okay. We're gonna be okay. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. 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 It's okay, baby girl. Don't worry. It's okay. Don't you scare her. Why are you being so mean, Freddie? Freddie? Angel? Angel, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. She's a nice, sweet girl. Leave her alone. See, Freddie, she's sweet. Freddie, stop swiping at her. She's sweet. You leave her alone. You be nice to her.